get up there first.
Yeah.
Starting to hit some shade.
I'm going to Cold Creek. The view. It's March 10th, 2018. There's a lot of snow. Pray for us. Our first obstacle was getting out of the truck. We parked on a sheet of ice, as you can see.
Glacier is the proper term.
Snow is pretty solid. Going up. Pretty view. We're still walking. Dale's taking off his jacket because it's warming up today. Looks like the snow is getting a little bit thinner. It was pretty deep earlier. Now it's just about an inch or two deep. I don't know how far away we were. Never been on this trail. Dale's my guide. But it's very pretty.
Yeah, hiked for about a mile now. Deep snow. We got to the quarry, which is a fun place to camp, but this time we will not be camping up there. We're gonna go about another 2.5 miles that way. And I got 3 new items of gear I'm really excited to use. This should be fun. We're gonna be building raised beds this time.
Yeah. Beds.
Beds.
Water.
Earth. Air.
Fire. Snow's getting a little deeper. Dale's footprints. About a half mile left. Whew.
So at the start, our footsteps weren't sinking that deep. So the snow had frozen over. But as we're climbing in elevation, it hasn't been as warm up here, so the snow hasn't really had a chance to melt and freeze. So we're kind of just post-holing right now, but I think we only got like a mile to a half mile left.
Hopefully. Fingers crossed.
It's been like all uphill.
Hopefully that's the end right there. You never know. We're going deep in snow. See you in the next video.
Alright, here we are. Been hiking for like 2.5 hours, say, yeah. And we went all the way up that way. Tried to find the creek, but I wasn't liking what we were seeing because it was just super windy. So all the wind would go up the mountain straight to us. And we like no matter where you would go, like even when we went in the woods, we'd be standing on like at least 3 feet of snow. And that's just like everything becomes a chore at that point. So we're hiking back down to try to get somewhat below the snow line, not below the snow line, but like underneath the deep snow. Like so when we get in the woods, we won't be post-holing the whole time. And then try to make the camp there. But up there, everything just becomes 10 times harder and it's not fun.
Yeah.
It's just super windy. So we're gonna hike back down now.
Yep. Here we go. So this trip is taking a turn. We're lounging in the sun and we are
Lamping around.
Yeah, we're drying out our feet because they're soaked and full of snow.
Numb.
Yep. It's only like 48 degrees out, but my toes feel like it's
100.
100, yeah. Down here, snow just like starts right there. Painting Dale like one of the French model girls. That's about it.
So what I'm going to be using to fall the tree is this axe. I'm pretty proud of it. I found it in my garage 2 days ago. and I worked like all 2 days on cleaning it up. When I found it, this was like black. This was like all brown from here all the way to the top. And I sanded it down, then put it in vinegar for like 30 hours, then sanded it down again and polished it, and then painted this yellow. So this was like all rust. Now it's looking pretty. Well, right there is still rust, but pretty clean all the way around. And then I used tin foil, duct tape, and rubber bands to make sheath. That's pretty dope. Take it off and show you. That's it with the sheath off. Put a new edge on it. It took a little bit of time. Not the lightest axe because it's not a wood handle. It's just one solid piece of steel from the blade all the way down into the handle. It probably stops somewhere. But yeah. So we're gonna go get some wood and start the shelter and maybe make a fire.
Spent 3 hours walking for nothing.
The spot's good. We'll be setting up right in there. I like it.
My right foot is numb.
It's weird, like the snow line starts back up there. It takes like a brief pause. And then like right over there, it's just all snow again. I think it's because this is always in the sun.
Popping my toes because I'm numb.
It's classic.
Yeah. We found our spot. Now Dale, using his power tools. Our spot is right there, kind of just like a little parking spot. Kind of, you could probably fit a car there. And now we're taking dead wood, and we're gonna make at least one standing bed or raised bed. So we're finding dead wood and cutting them down. This one's a little bit rotted, and it's also a weird shape. So okay, we're starting to make our raised beds.
Yep.
These are our rocks.
Extremely heavy rocks. Didn't feel good on the back, but it was better than getting huge round logs.
Yep.
Or just making tripods.
So we're gonna put our wood across the side, or across the top like that, and layer them.
And horizontal across that way.
Yeah. Exactly.
Let's get it.
Let's get it. We are almost done with the raised bed. Dale is cleaning up some of the limbs, the logs. Probably gonna have to get some more wood, maybe 2 or 3 more, just to fill it up. It's about 4 o'clock right now. Sun's going down. We probably only have an hour at most of sunlight.
Yeah. And we still gotta get firewood, make a fire, cook dinner.
Yeah. Good old times. Yeah, Dale?
Obviously we don't have enough time to make a roof, so maybe that'll be next time we come up here.
Yeah. There is
If
a next
there's
time.
a next time.
Yeah.
So, wanted to show you the tools I used to make this possible and just what the build's like. So we got on each end 2 stakes that are tied off to hold them together on every end. Use my knife to clean off the log so that it doesn't poke a hole in my sleeping pad. Then I mentioned I have 3 new tools. Well, one of them, I don't know where it went. One of them's the axe. I showed you guys that already. One of them's the saw, which I bought for my birthday.
It's about the same length as my penis.
It is.
Roughly.
Not. But
okay, cool.
But I like that. Then my third one's the sleeping pad, but you guys don't need to see that. It's pretty boring. But yeah, right now we're working on getting some more wood for fire. And then we gotta finish up with my knife, cleaning that off. We're gonna take a hike down yonder to get some water, and then start a fire and eat dinner. and hit the shack.
It's gonna be a good day.
Good night. We'll see you when we go to get water or when we finish this, either one.
Are you done with the bed?
Not quite.
Yeah, didn't think so.
A little too tall. But we're not too far away.
Yeah, I mean, we could like amputate your legs and you'd be great.
Yeah.
To the knee down, maybe?
Yeah, my feet are still soaked, but
Yeah, I want to get that fire going and cook my socks.
cook me some boots.
A little bit of sunlight left. Currently 4:37.
Still haven't got water yet.
No, mine's back there, but it's frozen. So yeah. We got some military flyover just for us. We coordinated it. Looks to be a C-17. Yeah, baby. Yee! Dale's still working on his bed. I'm getting firewood.
How long does it take to fly one of those?
For today, we did pretty good. Dale, you want to lay down?
I'll have to finish it tomorrow.
Yep. Just about head to toe. No room for comfort though. But
Spread eagle in it.
yeah, pretty good. Still gotta put up my hammock.
For a raised bed.
Yeah, you can add some ladies, some homos.
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my bivvy out on it, and then a sleeping pad in the bivvy, and then a sleeping bag over the sleeping pad in the bivvy. Like a big sandwich.
I'm putting up a hammock, so I'm either gonna put it down there or on these two trees. Not sure yet.
I cleaned all the logs off.
It's about 5 o'clock. Still have sunlight, so that's good. Still going strong. Gonna be a good night. We're going to get water, and we see a female pterodactyl. Hopefully my phone doesn't run out of battery, because I only have 1%.
Looks like she's waiting on somebody.
Probably her children.
Probably her dad.
Just one of the giant rat comes out. Hey, hey, what's going on, guys? I'm gonna kick you down.
Oh, I got a text. Die.
Sitting at the fire,
No, it's what?
warming my socks that are soaking wet still. Dale's being a trooper and getting more firewood. Cut my thumb. Pretty.
How'd you cut your thumb?
I don't know. I just looked down right now, actually. It's stinging a little bit. Yeah, got a fire going. Probably gonna make some food in a little bit. Set up my hammock down there. I was gonna set it up there, but the trees are too close together. So I had to move it down there. All in all, been a productive day.
Yep. We wasted a lot of time in the beginning, hiking forever in snow. I was pretty miserable.
Yeah, me too. Yeah. Okay, so it's currently only 7:45, but it's pitch black outside. That's Dale
Dale
and his
Anderson.
burrito. Dale Anderson
You darn tootin'.
on his bed that he has.
It's quite comfy. My feet are freezing though. Gotta wait for them to warm up.
Our fire's pretty much out, but no need to fear because I have a stove and I'm actually making some food right now. The menu is fettuccine alfredo with chicken, 270 calories per serving, 18 grams of protein, 2 servings. That's me and Dale right there. Dale's the woman in the picture. But yeah, waiting for that to boil. And then we're probably gonna go to bed. So I'll see you guys in the morning.
Yeah, it's like a Tempur-Pedic right here.
So it's currently 7:50 a.m. in the morning, and I'm whispering because Dale's still asleep. But I'm gonna go try to catch the rest of the sunrise. I'm a little bit late, but I'm still gonna get good footage. I'm just gonna grab my gloves really quick. Boom. Dale's over there. I slept here last night. Hammock tarp over. Never used that before, so that was cool. I'm gonna hike up the road. So we'll see you when I get there. So the sun, I can see through the trees. It's just coming up over the mountains. So I have to go all the way up there. So I'm a little bit late. Yeah, I'm gonna catch the very first part, but it'll still be really pretty. So there's actually some fresh like cougar tracks or something up here. So I don't know if I'm gonna go over there. I'm actually gonna call it quits. I have to go way up there anyways, so I'm going to head back. Man, would have been so pretty. Look at all the trees. Got back to the camp about 8 o'clock. Dale just woke up. Sun's up. It's blue. Oh yeah, there it goes. But that sky's blue.
You went to go see the sunrise.
Yeah. Well, I already took my phone up there and told them all about it. But yeah, on my way back though, I was like right there and I heard some bushes rustling. So I just hauled ass back here. Not that it would have changed anything, 'cause it's a freaking cougar. But yeah. Water.
Earth. No.
Rain.
We're boiling water. Or we melted snow so that we can boil water
Yeah.
to make oatmeal. We're
Coffee.
not making a fire because we don't want to spend too much time here. He's got a flight test.
Yep.
Learn how to fly.
And running into buildings.
Yeah.
Just kidding.
The snow's hard again from debris freezing.
Yeah. Especially for me running back on it after being almost mauled by a cougar.
Yeah.
Brought
It'll happen.
a cappuccino. I like cappuccino.
Cappuccino.
Yep. Took a crap behind that tree, that big one over there. Don't go over there. Yeah. Dale, how was the bed?
It's pretty comfy, to be honest. It just fell off my head. Oh, it's the hat. Yeah, I had sleeping bag, sleeping pad, and then a pillow underneath the sleeping pad to keep it up. It was comfy.
It's comfy.
How'd you sleep? I thought you were gonna be cold in there.
I was actually not that bad.
Really?
Yeah.
It got pretty cold last night.
My
Like when I had my arm around my sleeping bag when I was talking to you, I was freezing.
Yeah. Yeah, no, somehow my socks and shoes also dried last night. Oh, that's weird.
Does the hole in it feel weird?
No.
Oh.
I don't
You
know.
burnt a hole in your food?
Yeah.
Heck yeah, it's ready to go.
Okay, so now it's about 10:15 and we're packed up. Probably gonna head back now. Leave no trail left behind. We've cleaned up everything. Even my poop.
Didn't pack very light for this trip, but that's alright. It's more fun when you got a lot of stuff. You don't really have to worry about not having enough.
All the luxuries.
And I kind of needed to practice.
Burnt my gloves. I tipped my gloves last night. Good old time. Still work though, so that's good. Yep.
Burnt his sock pretty good.
Yeah, I burned a hole in my sock too when I was drying them off. It's sunny out. I'm gonna head back.
Good time. I was thinking.
Back at the quarry. You notice quarry looks not nearly as big as it actually is. That little piece right there, we're pretty far away, but that little piece right there is probably about a 5-story building right there as it goes up. But yeah, what do you think, Dale?
I think the creek we're gonna have to cross got a lot bigger since yesterday because of the snow melt.
Yeah, there's the creek right there. We're still pretty far away, but
It was way less steep than here on the camera.
yeah, we were wrong about the creek. It's a little bit bigger, but not nearly as big, or not nearly as big as we thought. Yeah.
That is way bigger than the coyotes prints we saw earlier.
Yeah.
I don't know what it is, but it's big.
Quarry, gravel run that way. Big amount of gravel right there. Snow is like ice. Not hard, but it's a lot thicker than yesterday. Nope, I can stand almost. Yeah, I'm standing on it right now. That would be nice. Otherwise, we're just post holing through. Oh, just fell in.